friends, welcome to a new video. We just arrived in Hawaii, so we just checked into our room. Callie at the girl up front got us a room that was ready. So thankful, so we could bring our stuff. We are exhausted. We've been traveling all day, 2 flights, an hour and 45-minute flight, and then an 8-hour, 10-minute flight. No issues, we made it fine, but just a long day. So we're a little bit tired, but we made it. So I'm gonna share with you guys our room here at the Holiday Inn Express Waikiki. Let's go. All right, here's our room. We're on the 19th floor. Here we go, Holiday Inn Express Waikiki. We are here for one night. Oh, let me close this. This is not a very spacious room, but as soon as you walk in, okay, so as soon as you walk in, I made my way in, there's 2 beds there, and it looks like we've got a microwave and a coffee maker with coffee and cups and a pretty big size fridge. It's not one of those mini fridges. And then there's lots of storage here. So we haven't made our way yet, but we heard there's a pool and it's on the 5th floor. And we are just a few minutes walking to Waikiki Beach. Here's the other side of this closet. So you have 1, 2, 3 shelves. On this side, we have a floor, like a really long outfit mirror. I love that. We literally just walked in from our flight. So here we've got 2 queen beds, curtains here, spot to put our luggage. And if you can hear me over the AC, it looks like there's some drawers down here too. And the AC's blowing nice and cold. Huge TV. I'm gonna go right and then we'll go left. So when I got here, there's no balcony, but look, you can see the ocean from here. So beautiful, so, so pretty. There's a lot of construction going on, so I don't know how I'd feel about staying here for a week. In fact, when we mentioned it to the girl downstairs that we're just passing through, it's one night, she goes, good, Ko'olina is so nice. I was like, well, thank you. All right, so here's our bathroom. There's a big curtain window, so we've got that covering. And then there's a toilet here with 2 hooks, a shower with glass right there, and then this side has a shower curtain. Here is the countertop with soap and hand wash and lotion. So it's not removable, it's refillable. And then we've got towels, and then in the shower, oh yeah, so we've got more shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all right there that they refill. And a spot to hang your swimsuits up there, which is great coming back from Waikiki Beach. So let's go over here and see what's on the nightstand, what we've got. It looks like there's a tray table here so you could eat in bed and watch a show. We probably will do that tonight, we're exhausted. All right, I see 2 lights and I see USB for both sides and 2 plugs, tissue and a phone, and we've got 1 drawer, and down here we have a safe. Over this way we've got a corner window, a chair, and a lamp, and let's see the view. And the view. So there's the ocean in the distance and lots of buildings. Welcome to Waikiki. All right, if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. Tomorrow we are heading to Aulani in Ko'olina, so I'll share with you our room there. And I will have lots of vlogs from this adventure because this is a trip of a lifetime for the Maderos. We're very excited to be here. All right, thanks for hanging out. Bye guys.